decision.
So maybe by extension, you have been able to tap from the grace of the prophet to tell us, what your projections are as regards these bills.
No, the bills will be passed, and we'll have a new tax laws in place, which will put the economy in a new trajectory and also stimulate the economy. The only thing we need to hammer once these bills are passed into law and the president signs is that there must be effective implementation. Because if you don't implement laws, it's as good as you don't have any law. A law is not implemented is as good as not having a law.
All right, I would like to hear from Sheikh Al-Khali as we round up the conversation. Sheikh, your final thoughts on the program this morning.
Yeah. For me, the bills have gone far, and that the National Assembly should do the needful. And when they do that, there will be a very good consensus of all the divides on the issue of the bills. And I believe them. I believe they will do what is needful. I pray that God will give them the wisdom to do what is right for us, so that posterity will write their names in gold. Thank you.
All right, let me quickly get to, I think we have a couple of minutes left. Honorable Waive, can we expect, future amendments in the laws, or you think that, this is the definitive structure that this law could take?
Every law is subject to amendments, especially when you start implementing. Take the PIA that we passed. That was a star legislation in the Ninth Assembly, that those of us who were members of the Ninth Assembly are very proud of. The operators of the law, the international oil companies and all that, they are already called us for a meeting to point out the areas they think are not favorable or good in operation. So they're putting together an amendment bill already that they are sending to us. So the same thing with the tax reform bills. We expect that in the future, as operations go on, the FRS, Nigerian citizens, every other taxpayers, they'll come up with possible amendments. And that's why we are there as lawmakers. We entertain that.
Fantastic point. Many thanks.
If there's a definite in law, they won't be there to make new laws, amend the laws. Globalization brings about changes.
We want to retire them.
No, please not.
All right, we need to round up the conversation. By the way,